We just received some fantastic feedback from one of our great clients. They wanted to tell us what a good job we did for them, and we wanted to share that with you.
Thank you so very, very much, Anthony, for noticing the fiber line, which wasn't buried yet when you mowed last Saturday. Your excellent awareness of that line saved us a giant headache. Also, thanks for putting Bella's balls on the porch.
Let us help you with our excellent customer service and years of knowledge and experience. Let our company earn your business. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.